Cherie Jacques aboard Black Gem, patiently waiting at the start of her cross country. Setting up for a nice clean jump there at that rather wide tabletop early on, and the accuracy 1, 2, 3 here. Very bold jumping there for Cherie Jacques. Again, we see some very bold jumping, a bit of a pat, bit of a thank you there coming from Cherie. Certainly the work that these riders and horses put in together to develop their bond and their trust is quite huge. And the riders certainly appreciate their horses taking good care of them out there on the cross country. And again, this Pride's Water Complex looking like the horses are handling this quite well. Beautifully presented cross-country course here at Matamata. Lovely bold jumping there at that corner. Certainly not looking to run out this horse at all, and approaching the bounce now. Here's a Pratt, loving every minute of this course. As she approaches the last, looking full of running. Looking very proud of that ride. Black Gem still looking strong right to the